Hello everyone, welcome to science class. In the previous video, we have revised chapter 1. In today's video, we are going to do some extra questions related to chapter 1 as a part of our revision. Very short answer type questions. Question 1. What are the two common sources of most of the ingredients of food items? As we have studied that there are two main sources from which we get our food, either plant or animals. So your answer is plant or animal. Name the three products each provided by plants and animals. You have to write the three products given by plants and animals. Yes, from the plant we get grains, cereals, vegetables, fruits, spices, tea, coffee, medicine, anything you can write. But here I have written grains, cereals, and vegetables. Animal products like milk, egg, meat. Clear? Question number 3. Name three edible parts of plants. As we have seen that we eat various parts of the plants. We eat roots, we eat fruits, we eat leaves, we eat stem. In some of the plants we eat seeds, in some of the plants we eat flowers. So actually we eat all the parts of the plant. So here I have asked only the three edible parts. So I have written here roots, fruits and leaves. Question number 4. Which part of the plants do we eat generally? If I talk about in general, generally we eat fruits of the many plants. Question number 5. Which type of seeds give more energy? Sprouted seeds or normal seeds? Yes, when I was teaching that time only I said that sprouted seeds have more nutritional value in comparison to the normal seeds. So our correct answer is sprouted seeds. Question number 6. What is honey? Yes, we know that honey is a sweet substance prepared by the leaves from the nectar. That means the sweet juice of the flower which is being collected by the bees is known as honey. Where would you place human beings on the basis of food they eat? We will keep them in the category of omnivores. Okay, so your answer will be omnivores, that the human being eats plants as well as animal products. So our answer is omnivores. Short answer type questions. What is food? Very common question for this chapter. The eatable substances eaten by humans and other animals to get energy for various activities for growth and development is called food. यानी कि food is any substance which is eaten by human beings to get energy, for the growth and for the development is known as food. Why should we cook food? Yes, another question, the very interesting and important question. We should eat cooked food because by cooking we can kill harmful germs and make it germless. Yes, what all the germs which are present in the food, if we are cooking them, they are killed. Cooked food can be easily digested by us so that our body can easily absorb it. As we know, when we are eating the raw food, it takes a longer time to digest. But if the cooked food, if we are eating, we can easily digest it. And the third function, the third reason for which we are cooking the food, that cooking improves the taste of food. The taste of the food changes when we cook the food. Question number 3. Explain the importance of food for living organism. Very important question. That why we have to eat food. What is the reason that we are supposed to eat food? The first reason for that it provides energy to do various activities. Yes, for your running, playing, studying, for all these activities. From where do you get the energy? You get the energy from the food which you eat. Second, it helps in growth. Yes, another important function which is performed by the food, that it is helping us to grow. Third, it helps to repair and replace damaged parts of the body. Yes, if you get hurt, do the scare remain over there? No. After some days, that scare is repaired. If you are bleeding, do the blood continues to flow? No. After some time, the blood stops. So how did it happen? Yes, because of the food. Next, it protects us from infection and disease. Yes, it protects us from the various diseases. That's why we say that food is classified into three values: bodybuilding, energy giving, and preventive food or protective food. So here we have seen that energy it provides, it helps in growth, it helps to repair and replace. That's why it's also known as bodybuilding. And the third, it prevents from the various disease. So it's known as protective food. Question number 4. Explain the various sources of food items and ingredients with the help of examples. Okay. There are mainly two sources of ingredients of various food items. Either we get it from the plants or we get it from the animals. From the plants we get fruits, vegetables, pulses, spices, cereals. From wild animals we get milk, eggs, meat, etc. Question number 5. Define the term herbivores. The animals which eat only plant or plant products are called herbivores. That means they are completely dependent on the plant or plant products are known as herbivores. The examples are cow, goat, buffalo. Clear? Next question. What are carnivores? Explain with examples. The animals which eat other animals, that means they feed on other animals, are known as carnivores. The examples are lion, tiger. Carnivores generally eat herbivores and other carnivores. So the simple thing we can say, the carnivores, as we are saying, that they eat other animals. So those other animals are herbivores or carnivores. Define the term omnivores. The animals which eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. The examples are cat, dog, human beings. That means they are eating plant products as well as they are eating animals. Clear? So I think these three terms, herbivores, carnivores and omnivores, is clear to all of you. Long answer type questions. Yes, in the exams, the short answers as well as long answers are being also asked. So the question number 1 is, with the help of a flow chart, show various contributors involved when we eat a chapati. The chapati which we are eating, are we getting it directly? No. The various process take place and then only we eat the chapati. So first what happened? Farmers cultivates the wheat crop. सबसे पहले क्या होता है? Farmers जो है वो क्या करते हैं? They grow the crop. Clear? Then ripened wheat is cut and transported to market. Yes, when the crop is harvested and it is fully ripened, then it's harvested and it is transported to the market. Then we go and buy it, or they directly go to the flour mills, buys wheat and grinds to make flour. Either we buy it directly or they directly go to the flour mills and we get the flour out of it. We buy flour from the market and that flour reach to our home and mother cooks chapati. Yes, it's very simple answer and I think all of you would have understood this answer. Question number 2. Make flow charts for the preparation of honey and ghee. Okay, the two preparations I have asked over here, honey and ghee. How does the honey prepared and how does the ghee prepared? So very easy for us. Nectar in flowers, and that nectar is collected by whom? By honeybees. Then stored in beehives, and honey is extracted from the beehives. How do we prepare ghee? The cow gives us milk. Then from that the cream is extracted. Then butter is being made, and then butter is boiled and ghee is formed. This is a very common activity which is being done at our home also. Your mother must also be preparing the ghee at your place. Question number 3. Differentiate between herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, and give two examples of each. You have to give the example of herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, and you have to write the difference between three. I think it's very easy for all of us. Herbivores are animals which eat only plant or plant products. The examples are cow, deer, elephant. Very easy example, and I think this animal is named from the grade 1 we are studying. Carnivores, animals which eat other animals are known as carnivores. The examples are lion, lizards. Omnivores are the animals which eat both plants and animals. So easy to remember. Herbivores only plants, carnivores eat other animals, and while the omnivores they eat both plants as well as animals. The examples, the good examples of this is human beings. Yes, which eat both plants as well as animals. Along with that, you also have to go through with the textbook. Yes, you have to find out the various edible parts of the plant, that which edible parts are we eating in our day-to-day life, which I have already explained you in the explanation part. These are the revision questions so that you get an idea that which sort of questions can be asked in the exams. Thank you and have a nice day.